Limoy, Pastor June Lamorena. Amen. So siya po ang batang-batang pastor namin sa grupo. Kaya yung mga bata dyan, pwede pa kayo. Then from Rotorua, no other than Pastor John Bautista. Batang tignan pero bata pa rin. From, nasa gitna sila, no? From G.L. Hamilton, ang ating state pastor, si Pastor Aglo Rosada. North, there is one state pastor. Then, going down from Auckland, may nakalimutan pa ako, there is 4 churches in one city of Auckland. At ang kanilang city pastor is no other than Pastor Efren Yuan. Very small but terrible. Yan. Then down to he is also the pastor of GIL North Shore. And GIL West, ang pastor natin doon, Pastor Junjun Arineo Galano. Yan. Hindi ba napapansin mga bata itong mga pastor na ito? Ha? Then from East Auckland, Pastor Leo de Ocampo, ating pastor ng East Auckland. Ang pastor naman natin ng Central, ang CBD, no other than Pastor Aldrin Laksamar. Ayan. Pwede pa tayo kasi mas bata pa tayo sa kanila. Amen. Then from Wellington, the city pastor of Wellington and Masterton, headed by our pastor, asan siya dito? Lito Asim. Ayan po. May Asim pa po yan. Hindi, Kasim po, Kasim. Okay, down to the last part of North, ang ating Wellington at Masterton, headed by our city pastor. Going to our south, state pastor, no other than my beautiful wife, Pastor Ruth. Then, the Culberden, Pastor Prince Gomez. And then, our pastor from Rolleston, Pastor Glenn Anselmo. Ayan. And then, ang part na kung saan maraming mga dayo at mga tourist spot, no other than Pastor Gerald from Queenstown and University. Sino pa po ang gustong magpastor sa mga hindi pa nabanggit na lugar? Taas po ang kamay.
Wala.
Okay. O siyempre, hindi pwedeng kalimutan ang aking manugang na dito lang po na born again sa New Zealand. After 4 years po ng kanyang journey ay nagpastor po. No other than the pastor of Dunedin, Pastor Ken Apple. So, meron pa akong nakalimutan? Wala na, no? So, these pastors that we have today are one of the champions.
Amen.
Amen?
Yes.